Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. So we have the formula in here. So capital 8, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So I will put the limit goal here. So we have the formula. So this one that is about capital 8. This one that is about capital B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we can put s plus number 2 into like this. So this one we can divide by s on numerator and denominator. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got number 0, this one you got number 0, and this one you got number 0, and number 1 we have number 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about F hospital. So I will focus about this one. So for this one, we have the formula. So we need to transform this one into this one. Now we can do about we can do about first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 over s minus 1, and this one we have 1 over s plus number 3, and this one we have negative 1 over s plus number 2, everything to the power of 2. So I will put this one gone here. Now we need to do common denominator, so that should be like this. And this one that is about s minus number 1. Now we need to expand and we can simplify. You got like this. Next, we divide by s squared on numerator and denominator. So this one you got number 0, 0, and 0. So we have negative number 4. So we go back in here and we got like this. This is the end.